Did you know that cabbage and tomatoes make an amazing flavor pair? Today, we are turning these two simple ingredients into a quick, delicious stir-fry. The cabbage stays crunchy, the tomatoes add a sweet, tangy kick, and the combo is anything but plain. If you want an easy veggie dish that's full of flavor, you've got to try this one. Let's get started. Garlic is a must-have in Chinese stir-fry cooking. It adds aroma and brings the whole dish to life. I like to smash them with the back of my knife before chopping. This brings out more flavor. Next, take half a head of cabbage, remove the tough core and slice it into thin shreds. Then grab one medium tomato. Remove the stem and cut it into thin slices or small chunks. Cutting them smaller helps release more juice during stir-frying. Heat the pan over medium heat and add some oil. Start by adding the chopped garlic and sauté until fragrant. Then add the tomatoes. Give everything a quick stir. You can sprinkle in a little bit of salt. This helps the tomatoes release their juice faster. Continue cooking until the tomatoes become soft and saucy. Now add the shredded cabbage. Keep stir-frying to let the cabbage and tomatoes mix together completely. Once the cabbage begins to soften, season with salt, chicken bouillon powder, and a little oyster sauce. This dish doesn't need any extra seasonings. The natural sweet tart flavor of the tomatoes does most of the magic. Stir fry until everything is well combined and the cabbage reaches your preferred texture. And that's it. The dish is done. This recipe is incredibly simple. I finished the whole thing in under 10 minutes. The tangy tomato sauce coats the crunchy cabbage beautifully, giving you a flavor that's bright, refreshing, and satisfying in every bite. It's a perfect appetizer and also a light, nutritious, and low-cal veggie dish. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.